If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Renegade 80th Edition in black clear coat with automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, satin granite roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 4,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.